Hey guys, so we're here for the third workshop of the Realme Creators Camp, and we're here in the most beautiful place in India, Srinagar. So Kashmir being the place what it is known for its beauty, for its landscapes, there are creators who are creating great content. What they actually lack is exposure. So Realme doing this workshop with these amazing creators is giving them an opportunity to showcase their talent and also at the same time, collaborate with a brand, which in this city I feel is very, very less heard of. So we wanted to do something very different with the third workshop of Realme Creators Camp, and we gave all the creators a task of doing forced perspective. So forced perspective is a very creative aspect of photography and of filmmaking, and we got to see some very, very creative end results from all the creators.
फोर्स पर्सपेक्टिव में यही है कि जो रियलिटी है उसको आप चेंज करते हैं, वो नहीं होता है, लेकिन आप वो फोर्स करते हैं कि नहीं, इंसान को लगता है कि नहीं शायद यही हो रहा है।
कि जो हमने यहाँ पे सीखा ना वो हमने आज तक कभी नहीं सीखा था, और जो मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस किया था, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि हमें सर ने इतना कुछ सिखाया।
जो हम क्रिएटर्स हैं, कश्मीर के क्रिएटर्स हैं, उनको रियलमी ने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, यूजुअली हमको नहीं मिलता है ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म। हम चाहेंगे कि फ्यूचर में भी रियलमी ऐसा करे।
पहले तो रोफ जीते हैं। This kind of opportunity where a brand comes in and collaborates with creators, creators get exposure to the world.